Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transcribe our speech or audio or video through Google. Let's get started. To transcribe our speech, open your browser and type google.com, log in your ID. Then in address bar type ducs.google.com and press enter key and click blank document. Then go to tools menu, click voice typing and choose your suitable language. Which language would you like to speak? By default it's English. I show you here. Click this microphone and start to speak. Hello, write your name. Yes. This way we can transcribe a speech or the voice into the text. I click here and stop. I choose the next language. My native language is Nepali, so I choose here my language. Click Nepali. Click again this microphone and start to speak. Audio अथवा भिडियोलाई कसरी टेक्स्टमा कन्भर्ट गर्न सकिन्छ आजको भिडियोमा म देखाउने छु. I stop here. You can see here audio अथवा भिडियोलाई कसरी टेक्स्टमा कन्भर्ट गर्न सकिन्छ आजको भिडियोमा देखाउने छु. To save your data, click file menu and then click download and choose format. Which format would you like to save? Now I want to save in Word document, so I click here. Yes, my data has been saved in download folder. Next, if you want to transcribe audio or video from one language to another language, you can do it easily. Example, I want to transcribe this video into the text. Go to Google and type here baby audio cable and press enter key and click this first link babyaudio.com. If you have a Mac operating system, you download it. If you have a Windows, you click download button. Yes, it's downloaded in my download folder. I go to there, open this PC and go to download and you will see here your downloaded software. It's a zip file, so unzip it, right click and extract file and click OK. Yes, it's unzip now, so open it, scroll and go to little down. You can see here 3 application file. It's a simple software. You can run it easily. You just double click this software and click yes. Again run this software again, then double click here and you will see this screen and restart your PC. Before transcribe, right click speaker on your taskbar, then go to open sound setting, click down arrow and choose baby audio cable and scroll here and go to input. That is also you choose same options, baby audio cables. After then close it and open your audio or video which you would like to convert. So open a new window and make separate this window, click and drag. Yes, my 2 windows is my video windows. I open Google Translate, so type in address bar translate.google.com and hit enter key. First choose the language and this video file is in English, so I choose here English. I want to translate this video file into the Nepali language, so I choose Nepali and then play your video. After then click this button of translate. You can see here start translating. Now I want to stop here. And that's how we can transcribe any language, audio or video.